Hi, this is Baidi Liu and Matthew Cardinal. In this lab, we made an campus GPS catching app. We cut a portion of the campus map as the map for our app and create two pins with James. Then we modify the original GPS. We add the image we made in it and add a button Let's catch it in it.
Oh, what am I saying? Oh, are we talking about the JavaScript? Okay. We were tasked with, as Tony said, crafting a geocaching app. We needed to get the current position. That was pretty much set up for us ahead of time. You can see down here, way down here, with the show position function. Now I've extensively changed that function. The biggest change that we had to make was creating an interpolation function, which would take two calibration positions on the map, then translate them into pixel locations on an image using this function here, which actually looked pretty simple, but was the buggiest and hardest to create of all of the aspects of this program. Once it was producing correct input, taking latitude and converting it into a Y pixel value, taking longitude and translating it into an X pixel value, most of the program was done. We also needed to assign positions to the icons dynamically using CSS style rules. I knew what the size of the icon was ahead of time, so I was able to set the center of the icon equal to the pixel position given through our interpolation function. I also set the debug inner HTML to that same value, as you can see down here. What else? We had to use absolute and relative positioning to get this to work. The map is set to relative. The icons are set to absolute, as well as setting their width and height to ensure that everything stays standard. Another interesting aspect of this challenge was creating cache locations. To do that, I actually walked around campus and got a set of longitude and latitude from my phone. Then I was able to use the interpolation function to assign them to specific locations. I also created a button which would toggle between all of those separate locations. That was pretty simple. It was a matter of using a series of nested conditional statements over there. Right. So basically, if the current cache is greater than or equal to the length of the cache's array that we have up here, which is a series of objects consisting of latitude, longitude, and descriptions of the cache, then it sets the current cache back to 0 so that we can continuously cycle through 3 caches, which appear as targets on our map. We're going to show you another video in which you get to see that in action on our phone.